Hello everybody, this is my first video on this channel. So I've started this channel for people who are not able to prepare for CAT during this lockdown. So I'll be doing as much as I can justice to this channel. I'll be trying and posting at least one LRDI set on a daily basis, if possible even more. Okay, so let us start with this first set for today. You people can pause your video and give it a try and then proceed with the solution. Okay, so let's start now. So it says Orchid Petals building in Gurgaon is built up in rectangular shape and contains 10 apartments numbered from 0 to 9. Okay, yeah, so there are 10 apartments in this building that have been numbered from 0 to 9 and it is in a shape of a rectangle. So let's say I'll take a rectangle here, something like this. Okay, so this is a rectangle. Further, the area of each apartment is dependent upon the floor it is situated. Also, all apartments on each floor is of same size, right? However, the total area of all the apartments put together on each of the floor is equal. Okay, so total area is equal. The top floor is considered as row 1 in this building. Okay, so if I go by row wise, this top floor would be considered as row 1. We do not know how many rows are there. Let's proceed further. The apartments are, however, not numbered in a serial fashion. Okay? The hints below indicate the apartment number situated on any of the floors. Sum of 4 apartments in the 4th row is 28. Okay, so definitely 4 rows तो है मेरे पास. So I can say 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I've got 4 rows here. Row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4, right? Now, so if I try writing floor wise, अगर मैं floor wise लिखता हूँ ना, so topmost floor is considered as row 1. So I can say this is floor 1, this is floor 2, this is floor 3 and this is the 4th floor. Sum of 4 apartments in the 4th row is nothing but 28. So there are 4 apartments in the 4th row and their sum is nothing but 28. Okay, so now what are the possibilities for the sum to be 28? Let's try this. Okay, so let's try this. What are the possibilities for the sum to be 28? If I start with 9 plus 8 is nothing but 17. I need 11 more, so I can either take 7 plus 4 or I can take 6 plus 5. Both the cases I'll get a sum of 28. If I start with 8, the maximum possible sum I can get is 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 plus 5 is 26. But I need a sum of 28, so this case is not possible. So there are only 2 possibilities for the apartment numbers for row 4th, that is 9874 or 9865. That definitely means 9 and 8 will definitely come in the 4th row. We need to decide whether 7 or 4 or 6 or 5. इन दो में से कौन सा आएगा. ठीक है, आगे चलते हैं. The biggest apartment number in row 3 is the central apartment of the floor. What does that mean? It can be a central apartment only when there are 3 apartments. Yes, एक case. See, the total number of apartments are 0 to 9, which sums up to 10. 4 are already here, and I want the sum to be 10. तो क्या क्या possibilities हैं? 6 के लिए 3 plus 2 plus 1, right? So one row will have 3 apartments, one will have 2, and one will have 1 apartment. So that definitely means that row 3 has 3 apartments, and this apartment in the between is the biggest, the central apartment. Okay. Further, the third apartment number from the left in the bottom row isn't 7. Okay, So the third apartment number from the left in the bottom row isn't 7. So bottom row में left से third apartment number isn't 7. So this I can say 7 bar. Further आगे चलते हैं. The sum of rightmost apartment numbers in 4 rows put together is 11. Okay. So sum of these apartment numbers, the rightmost, all of these, their sum is given to us as nothing but 11. Further, the next condition, that is the fifth one, the apartment numbers 0 and 5 are in different rows of the building. ठीक है, we'll take this into consideration later. Next, the number of apartments at the top minus the number of the leftmost apartment in row 2 is 4. Okay, so the number of the apartment at the top, what does that mean? There's only one apartment at the top, so that definitely means there should be 2 apartments in row 2, and the difference between this and this is nothing but 4. So I can say if this is x, this should be nothing but x minus 4. Now let's proceed further. The sum of leftmost apartment numbers in 4 rows is sum to 20. ठीक है, तो leftmost का sum भी दिया हुआ है, that is nothing but 20. rightmost का sum 11 था, leftmost का sum 20 है. चलो अब cases बनाते हैं. Let's start making cases. How is 11 possible? Now last row and the rightmost apartment. If I take this to be 9, अगर मैं इसको 9 लेता हूँ, so the remaining sum is 2. My remaining sum is nothing but 2. And I have 3 values. Is the sum 2 possible? Definitely not. So I can definitely say that this apartment number cannot be 9. ये 9 तो possible नहीं है. This definitely cannot be equal to 9. If I try with 8, अगर मैं 8 से try करता हूँ, so how much more do I need? I need 3 more. So what are the possibilities for the sum to be 3? I can say 0, 1 and 2, right? Now what is the maximum possible value of x? If I'm taking this as 0, 1 and 2 in any order, the maximum possible value of x is nothing but 2. If this is 2, so 2 minus 4 will give me minus 2. Can the apartment number be negative? Definitely not. It cannot be negative. So 8 is also not possible. So this case is also ruled out. So I'll rule out this case as well. So I can say that neither 9 is possible nor 8 is possible. Let's try with 7. If I take 7, my remaining sum is nothing but 4. So the possibility can be 0, 1 and 3. Now again, the maximum possible value for x is nothing but 3. Or 3 minus 4 मुझे क्या देगा? It will give me a negative value. If I take this to be 7, the maximum possible value is 3. This will has to be then minus 1, which is not possible. So again this case is also ruled out. So 7 be possible नहीं है. The value of this apartment number cannot be 7. Let's try with 6. If I take 6, the remaining sum is 5. So which can be 0, 1 and 4. Just a moment, give me a moment. Yeah, so the remaining sum is 5. So I can either take 0, 1, 4 or I can take 0, 2 and 3. 0, 2, 3 not possible क्योंकि negative आ जाएगा, अभी last case में देखा. If I take 0, 1 and 4, if I take 6 here and I take 0, 1, 4 in any order, let's say if this is 4, then this will become 0. But ये जो मैंने 0, 1, 4 लिया है, these are the apartment numbers of the rightmost side. Yes, ये rightmost side के apartment numbers है. तो अगर मैंने 0 यहाँ पे ले लिया तो ये violate हो गई condition. So this is also not possible. So I can definitely say that 6 is also not possible. तो ये वाला case भी rule out हो जाता है. Now if I try with 5, अगर मैं 5 से try करता हूँ, so remaining sum is nothing but 6. So my possible values are 0, 2, 4 and 1, 2, 3. 3 is no, 3 वाला केस नहीं होगा क्योंकि नेगेटिव आ जाएगा. अगेन 0 to 4 वाला केस नहीं होगा. Why? Because if you take 4 here, so you have to take 0 here, but 0 to 4 is assumed for the rightmost apartment. So again this case will also be ruled out. So 5 is also not possible. ठीक है, 5 भी possible नहीं है. Now if 5 is also not possible, so neither I can take 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 कुछ नहीं ले सकते. So this case is ruled out for the last row, sum to be 28. ये वाला केस नहीं पॉसिबल है क्योंकि मैं neither I can take 9 nor 8 nor 6 nor 5. So this case is definitely ruled out. So the possible values for the last row is nothing but 9, 8, 7 and 4. What does that imply? This has to be definitely 4 क्योंकि ये ना 9 हो सकता है, ना 8 हो सकता है, ना 7 हो सकता है. So this definitely has to be 4. Now if this is 4, what is the remaining sum? It is nothing but 7. So the possible values are nothing but 0 to 5, or it can be 0, 1 and 6. ठीक है. So these are the two possibilities. Now if I take 0 to 5 for the rightmost apartments, in that case the maximum value of x is nothing but equal to 5. इसको मुझे 5 लेना पड़ेगा. If this is 5, then this will be nothing but 1. Now 5 plus 1 is 6 and the leftmost apartment sum is 20. तो अभी मुझे कितना और चाहिए? I need 14 more. I can say I need 14 more. What is the possible for 14? क्या क्या possibilities हैं? I can say 9 plus 5, but this is not possible. Why? Because 5 is already here. I can take 8 plus 6. Now if I take 8 and 6, अब मुझे एक चीज पता है कि 9, 8, 7 तो लास्ट रो में आ रहा है. It is coming in the fourth row. And if I take 6 here, but I wanted the central apartment to be biggest, so क्या ये 6 possible है? नहीं possible है, right? Because 6 से बड़ी जितनी values हैं वो तो सारी last row में आ रही हैं. So this 6 is not possible here. That is why 8 cannot be here. So if 8 cannot be here, that means my x cannot be equal to 5. तो मेरा x तो 5 नहीं हो सकता. So ये वाला case भी rule out हो गया. So we are only left with 0, 1 and 6. So if x is 6, this will be nothing but 2. If this is 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. So I need a sum of 12 more to make it 20. So I can say the only possibilities is nothing but 8 plus 4 तो नहीं ले सकते हैं because 4 is already used in the last row. So I can say the only possibility is 9 and 3. So I can say 9 plus 3. That definitely means 9 comes here, 3 comes here. And if 7 cannot come here, 7 will come here, and then 8 will come here. Why? Because the last row has only 4 possibilities, that is 9, 8, 7, 4. This is the only possibility, right? Now this third row, the biggest apartment is the central apartment. अब 3 से बड़ी क्या क्या values है मेरे पास? I have 4 which is already used, 5 है मेरे पास जो कि नहीं यूज हुआ है, 6 is already used, 7 is already used, 8 is also used, 9 is also used. So the only value left is nothing but 5. So I can say 5 will come over here. Now coming to the rightmost apartment, यहाँ पे मैंने 4 लिया था और 0, 1, 6 वाला केस लिया था. So the left values are nothing but 0 and 1. But can 0 come here? 0 cannot come over here. Why? Because this condition number 5 says that the apartment numbers 0 and 5 are in different rows of the building. So that definitely means 0 will come here and 5 will come here. So that is your, sorry, not 5, 1 will come here. So that is your complete set. तो मैं बाकी सारी चीज़ें हटा देता हूँ यहाँ से. I'll remove all the things so that it is clearly visible what are the apartment numbers. ठीक है. Now let's come to the questions. Questions देख लेते हैं. Let's try solve the questions. Question number 1. Which apartment has the largest area? Definitely the apartment on the top row, that is the row 1 or the topmost floor. So that is nothing but apartment number 6. Question number 2. If the rightmost apartment in the bottom row has the least area, which of the following apartment has the least area? So rightmost apartment in the bottom row is nothing but apartment number 4. So I can say definitely that apartment number 4 has the least area. What is the sum of the apartments in the middle of the last row? Middle of the last row, the sum is nothing but 8 plus 7, which is 15. Next, which row has the least sum of all the apartment? That is nothing but row number 2, which is sum is 2 plus 0, that is 2. So row number 2. So that is your complete set. I would say this was a slightly tricky set. ठीक है, slightly tricky था ये. I would say moderate to difficult. but you can definitely expect such kind of sets in CAT. Okay, thank you everybody.